A cornerstone of U.S. climate regulation is on the chopping block, and courts are already looming. Reuters reports the administration plans to repeal the 2009 endangerment finding, the legal basis for many federal greenhouse gas rules. Legal experts warn removing it could open a new front of climate litigation in federal court. One risk: power companies could face revived public nuisance-style claims because the old legal shield relied on EPA regulating greenhouse gases. Bottom line, this isn't just policy. It could rewrite courtroom strategy for years.